How to use ChatGPT to create an outstanding lesson plan. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can assist you in creating an outstanding lesson plan by generating ideas, providing examples, and helping to structure the plan. Here are some steps to help you use ChatGPT to create an outstanding lesson plan. Define learning objectives. Start by defining clear, measurable learning objectives that are aligned with the curriculum or standards. Use ChatGPT to research and generate ideas for learning objectives. Brainstorm ideas. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for content, activities, and materials that are relevant and engaging to your students. ChatGPT can also provide you with different ways of delivering content, such as visual aids or multimedia. Design activities. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for interactive and engaging activities that support student learning and help them apply what they've learned. ChatGPT can provide suggestions for different activities that are tailored to students' different learning styles. Plan assessment and feedback. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for formative and summative assessments, and to design strategies for providing feedback to students. Collaborate with colleagues. Share your lesson plan with colleagues and use ChatGPT to generate ideas for improving the plan. ChatGPT can help you with finding relevant resources to enhance the lesson plan. Here is an example of an outstanding lesson plan for a middle school science class. Lesson title: The Scientific Method. Learning objectives. Students will be able to explain the steps of the scientific method. Students will be able to design and conduct an experiment using the scientific method. Students will be able to communicate the results of their experiment. Materials. Whiteboard and markers. Experiment materials, e.g. plants, soil, beakers, etc. Handouts with scientific method steps and data tables. Projector for multimedia presentations. Activities. Anticipation guide. 5 minutes. Students complete an anticipation guide that assesses prior knowledge about the scientific method. Introduction. 5 minutes. Use a multimedia presentation and the whiteboard to introduce the scientific method, its steps, and why it is important. Demonstration. 10 minutes. Demonstrate an example experiment for students, explaining the steps and how to record data. Guided practice. 20 minutes. Students work in small groups to design their own experiment, following the scientific method steps, recording data, and presenting their results. Independent practice. 10 minutes. Students work individually to complete a written reflection and analyze their experimental results. Assessment. 10 minutes. Students complete a quiz to demonstrate their understanding of the scientific method. Closure. Review the key learning points and provide feedback to students on their performance. This lesson plan incorporates a variety of activities to engage and challenge students, as well as hands-on practice and a final assessment to monitor student progress. By incorporating both teacher-led and student-centered activities, this lesson plan creates a dynamic learning environment that fosters engagement and collaboration.